How to withdraw crypto from Binance to bank account. Hello crypto enthusiasts, ready to cash out your crypto holdings? Let's explore how to withdraw crypto from Binance to your bank account in a very easy way. Let's get started. Start by logging into your Binance account. Then, once logged in, go to the Wallet tab and select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. Then click on Withdraw next to the fiat currency you wish to withdraw, for example USD or Euro. Choose bank transfer as the withdrawal method. You may need to verify your bank account if you haven't done so already. Enter the withdrawal amount and select the bank account you want to withdraw funds to. Ensure that the bank account details are accurate to avoid any delays or errors. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Once you're satisfied, click on the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal process. Depending on Binance's withdrawal process, you may need to verify the withdrawal via email or to authentication. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. After confirming the withdrawal, wait for Binance to process the transaction. The processing time may vary depending on factors such as network congestion and verification requirements. Once the withdrawal is processed, check your bank account for the deposited funds. It may take several business days for the funds to appear in your account depending on your bank's processing times. Verify that the withdrawal amount matches the amount deposited into your bank account. If there are any discrepancies or issues, contact Binance support for assistance. After withdrawing funds from Binance, consider securing your funds by storing them in a secure wallet or investment vehicle. And congratulations, you've successfully withdrawn crypto from Binance to your bank account. Remember to stay informed about transaction fees, processing time, and security measures to ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. Happy trading! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.